It's time to go exploring with Emily Yeung, right here on the Veritable Quandary.
Here we are! Bread. This is Emily Yeung baking bread. Hi, I'm Sandra, and today we're going to bake bread. Hi, Sandra.
Hi, Emily. Welcome to Black Creek Pioneer Village.
This is Emily Yeung, she'll score a goal, play pretend, make a bunch of brand new friends. Learning, laughing, sharing, smiling, we'll have lots of fun with Emily Yeung.
Sandra, what's your favorite part about pioneers? I think mine is that they get to spend time with the horses all day.
Is that right? Yeah. I like spending time in the kitchen and making good things for people to eat. Have you ever helped bake at home?
Yeah, I bake muffins and stuff with my mom, but I've never baked bread before.
So would you like to try to bake bread?
Okay.
Okay, you take this big spoon and scoop out a spoonful of sugar and put one in each bowl. That's good.
Why are we using brown sugar instead of white sugar? Because white sugar has more calories?
No, because white sugar is more expensive. In pioneer times, white sugar cost a lot more. Now I'll just put the sugar back.
Maybe we can both make a different type of bread.
That's a good idea. How about I'll do white bread and you can do whole wheat bread. How's that? Okay, do you want to step over to this bigger bowl and take this big scoop here and put a scoop of flour into that bowl. Now we need to add some water to mix up.
Yours is starting to be really creamy.
Yeah.
Mine is big and chunky.
It's hard work mixing up bread dough.
It's smelling so good.
You're doing a very good job there.
What's the next ingredient, Sandra?
Now, take a little scoop of flour and we're going to sprinkle it on this board. That's it. Just smooth it all over with your hands.
Is this where we're going to roll out the dough?
That's right.
The flour makes it not stick and rip, right?
Yeah, that's right. We don't want it to stick to the board.
What's your favorite thing about baking? Mine is getting to make it.
Yeah, it's fun making it and it smells really nice, doesn't it? But you know what the most fun is?
What?
Eating it, tasting it.
Oh, yeah. You're right.
Now watch what I do. You want to pick up the dough and fold it and push down on it, okay? Like that, with this part of your hands, push down on it. Good girl.
You push over like this.
Mm-hmm.
Those nice ingredients. I'll put mine in the pan.
Plop it right in there beside that one. Now we're going to leave them to rise.
I can't wait to put them in the oven.
Okay?
Do we sweep this off?
Well, we should probably wash our hands first since they're a little
Alright.
sticky, okay?
This is the sink.
This is the sink.
What do we do next?
Well, next we're going to do a little bit of cleanup and give the bread a chance to rise. It needs to sit for a little while.
Turn the day, clean up the Have you ever ridden a horse before?
Yes, I have, but it's been a long time.
It's my favorite sport. All done. Are our loaves almost ready to go in the oven?
They are. And this is what we put it in with so that we can reach to the back of the oven. This is called a peel. If you want to bring a loaf over, set it right on top of there. Thank you. And then I can push it in all the way into the back. There, now we just have to wait a little time for the bread to bake.
What should we do while we wait?
Well, I have a couple of friend horses that you might like to meet.
Yay! Let's go!
Okay, let's go.
Horses! 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 See them.
Yeah, there they are.
Are these the only two horses here?
Yeah, these are the only two we have. Want to say hi, Ben?
Hi, Ben. Is he a Clydesdale?
He is a Clydesdale, yes.
You want to know how I know he's a Clydesdale?
How do you know?
Because he has big hooves.
He does, and you see all that white long hair hanging around his hooves? That tells you too.
Those are beautiful horses.
They are, aren't they? Let's see if our bread is ready. I think it's been enough time.
I'll take the door off.
Okay, set it right down there.
No sweat. It looks nice and baked. Is that the whole wheat?
That's the whole wheat bread that you made.
Looks good.
Oh, yes, I think that's ready. What do you think?
Oh, yes. Bread high five.
Good.
This is Emily Yeung tasting her bread. Cheers.
Cheers. Good.
I can't believe we made this. It's really good.
I'm glad you're enjoying it.
Let's have some white bread now.
Okay, let's try some.
Thank you so much, Sandra, for baking bread with me. It was very tasty.
You're very welcome, Emily. I had fun teaching you.
This episode is over, but the very best of my collection is banned on YouTube. To see what you have been missing, go to archive.org and search for Gyro Screwloose, and I'll see you there.